All right, market recap here for the SMS alerts. April 17, wild price action, new all-time highs for the S&P. Melt up is here into next year. It's going to be crazy. Great market to trade. I mean, this is what we love to trade here every day. Earnings season had a great start, so epic. The banks reported this week, so it's the start of the earnings season. Let's go through the alerts quick. ALV, earnings winner, great catalyst. Apple large cap upgrade on a great stock that I like to trade a lot. With some other news, Texas Instruments large cap upgrade, AFRM overall bullish breakout setup. So Apple was my favorite one because it had bullish news in combination with large cap analyst upgrade. And Apple is one of the stocks, the favorite to trade if they have good news. So that was my favorite selection. That's why I put it on the first, because it's one of my favorites. I always put the favorite on the first. And the second place is an ALV, and so forth and so go as we go. And SPY calls went already pretty wild in the pre-market. So it broke through all the levels. So it has to be approached for you in the customized way. Let's go through Apple quick here. So at the market opening, I've been drawing these lines pre-market. And so we're waiting at the same day expiration, so it's super risky. So we're waiting at the market open for some bullish action to the upside and to see if it can hold. So in this case, we have to react super fast. We broke higher here, holding above resistance. It was a bullish retest. So this was an opportunity to enter. So the first candle was already bullish, but the second one even gave you more confirmation. Okay, this is setting up for a burst higher. And that's the best case scenario. It didn't go to target yet, but this was enough for a trade here to enter here for a great trade higher. This was like quick 100% or something. So it's amazing. And then here's the second trade that you can do. I always say we enter when it can hold at the open, showing bullish confirmation for probability higher, or a bullish retest. So now we got the retest here, even for a second trade. So these are two easy trades at the market open that you can do. You know, you're waiting for a confirmation here, and then almost got back up here again. These are two trades. Within 30 minutes, you can make 2 times 100% in 30 minutes, and you're finished with the day without much stress. So let's go through the next one, ALV. Yeah, there was nothing. It's been just hard to trade this one. It's been the options moving weird. So Apple had the most liquid options, most liquid price action. So this is always something preferred to trade. On these stocks, and especially when SPY has a major gap up, there's extra patience required for these kind of stocks that having a somewhat wide spreads, right? Oh yeah, it's not really something I like to trade when the spread is so wide. So you skip this. Especially we broke so high already pre-market of both my preferred level. So then you cannot enter here just because we're already so much above resistance. We're already almost at target. So you need super patience here for something to form. And it didn't form anything, so it's a no trade. So that level that I'm drawing is really important. Well, when we go back to Apple, you see that really this has been the level to watch. It's not always perfect, but it was almost perfect to watch. Yeah, Apple goes even higher, a cup with handle. You see it's forming on a 1 minute here, cup with handle. So you can recognize this pattern potentially for a third trade to go even higher. I mean, this is a breakout day here today. So amazing. Let's go to the next one, Texas Instrument. Yeah, pretty easy here, this one. If we broke already to target, pre-market, you gotta wait here. It needs to form something above resistance. It would have to hold here for several minutes to make this be interesting. But again, also options were not perfect here with this one. So it's a no trade. It just broke below these levels and stays below. So this was not interesting to trade. AFRM. Yeah, great example. If you have time to watch longer, you see first at the market open, we wait. Break below, no trade zone. no trade because we're staying below the resistance. We enter when it can hold above resistance, and it didn't. So it formed something, but you see later in the day here after 30 minutes, it's been breaking above resistance, holding above this, uptrending with higher lows. This would have been another trade to the upside. So as you see, this would have worked great. And you can make Apple 2 trades. You can make here the other two stocks were clear no trades. So here you see how clear it is. When the more you practice, the more clearer it gets. Holding above resistance is the potential to enter. And SPY is running wild. So we hit already all the targets that have been drawing pre-market. So for SPY, you have to just take the customized approach. If all the levels already broken, wait at the market open, and it has to form something that you recognize. It has to re-enter when it can hold at the open or a bullish retest. So it's been holding here. You can make a quick trade here maybe for the right shoulder, but then it had to make a retest. So here this would have been a great trade to enter for continuation higher, which worked great today. So in this case, you didn't follow my exact alert instructions. Here you had to just customize it yourself and approach, okay, we got a bullish retest, continuation to the upside. This is bullish for another move higher. So these were the alerts for today. Great learning experience for you to see how to make several small trades within 30, 60 minutes. And that's all it takes.